Hey guys, it's time to prioritize your children's health, and it's on the issue of indoor air pollution. Most people don't even think about what's going on in the air they breathe in their own homes, but over 50% of homes in America have bad indoor air quality, and if you're in an older building especially, it could be toxic things like mold or asbestos. Reach out to me today. You can visit my website. You can fill out a contact form. There's no charge. I'm not a salesman. I'm not a manufacturer, but I can recommend the best HEPA 13 filtered air purifier so you and your family can breathe safe, clean air.